Hi, welcome to my digital classroom. I am your teacher, Miss Janet Vrba. Whoever is watching, welcome dear parents and guardians as well as students. Let me give you a brief introduction about who I am. I was a first-generation college graduate. I also earned my master's degree from Kennesaw State University. I'm the first person in my family to also obtain a master's degree. I also plan to get my specialist degree within the next year or so. Education and sports have been a big part of my life, and therefore I encourage my students to get involved. We have many extracurricular activities at Osborne, such as the JROTC. We have sports, we have clubs, we have football, softball, volleyball, basketball, and then we got the Glink Club, the Hispanic Heritage Club. So many clubs to try out. We have a future business club. It's great. You're in high school once, so please get involved with our community. Also, I want to announce that I'm going to be a teacher sponsor for the Parent Teacher Association, the PTA, at Osborne High School. I'm also a teacher sponsor for the Georgia Honors Program. So if you're interested in learning more about the PTA or Georgia Honors Program, please contact me. I'd be more than happy to talk with you about it. I also want to let you know that I have taught in California as well as the Czech Republic. It was my dream to go live and work in the Czech Republic, and I got to do it. So I taught ESL to the Czech students there, and this is a picture of me of doing one of my favorite things, which was feeding the swans at the river Vltava. It was so magical and such a wonderful time in my life. So, what I want you to know, this year we're really going to push using the CTLS system. So let me just share a little bit about that. You will see your 4 classes. So when you click onto your class, it will take you in. I will show you the student view. So you will get this student view. Here's a little bit about the teacher. You click on this, it will give you more information about me. My contact email, the Osborne phone number. We will post daily discussions, well, maybe not daily, but we will have future discussions to post here. The important announcements for the whole school will be posted on the announcement board, and information that is very specific to our class will be on the class board. You will click on digital sessions over here to go into your unit. For American Literature, Unit 1 is the American Dream. And so once you go in, the most recent lesson will be up here first by date, and you can see what we learned that day. A lot of times we will do this on CTLS in class, so we encourage all our students to bring their laptops to school each day. If you want a school laptop, your parent just needs to opt in through Parent View. Your lesson resources will be here in this tab. And then when you have lesson assignments to turn in for a grade, they will be posted here. So we can talk more about this when we get into class together. Right now, the purpose of this video is just to say hello and to welcome you to my class. I look forward to having a great school year, and I look forward to meeting and getting to know each one of you, as well as taking you from the level you're at and pushing you to the next level. I think my super teaching power is teaching students to write very well. I will build your confidence, and you will end up being a better writer when you leave my class than you were before you entered my class. That is my teacher promise to you. So the way to success is to show up every day, be on time, be prepared for class, and do your work. If you do, that's a formula for success. There is a quote out there that says 85% of success is just showing up. So show up to class and we will rock it. I can't wait to have a great semester with you. Thank you for watching my video, and we will get to know each other more in person.